हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 3 लैंडमार्क केसेस ऑन द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। फर्स्ट इज गोलकनाथ केस. In this case, the court reversed its earlier stances that fundamental rights can be amended. इस केस में कोर्ट ने अपने डिसीजन को रिवर्स किया दैट फंडामेंटल राइट्स कैन बी अमेंडेड. इट सेड दैट फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर नॉट अमेनेबल टू द parliamentary restriction as stated in Article 13, and to amend the fundamental rights a new constituent assembly would be required. And also stated that Article 368 जो हमारा अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से डील करता है, आर्टिकल 368 गिव्स द प्रोसीजर. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आर्टिकल 368 गिव्स द प्रोसीजर टू अमेंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बट does not confer on parliament the power to amend the constitution. As we know that Article 368 of Indian Constitution deals with amendment of the Constitution, but वो सिर्फ प्रोसीजर बताता है. That gives only a procedure, not give the power to the Parliament to amend the Constitution. ये 3 points डिस्कस हुए गोलकनाथ केस में. डिसाइड इम्पॉर्टेंट. आफ्टर दैट a landmark case, Keshwananda Bharti case, famous case of our constitutional law. In this case, the Supreme Court held that although no part of the constitution, including fundamental rights, was beyond the parliament's amending power, the basic structure of the constitution could not be abrogated even by the constitutional amendment. Second, the judgment implied that the parliament can only amend the constitutions and not rewrite it. The term rewrite का means the power to amend is not a power to destroy. सिर्फ पावर है किसी चीज़ को अमेंड करने की, ऐड करने की कुछ चेंजेस, बट नॉट टू डू अ रीराइटिंग. देन दिस इज द बेसिक इन इंडियन लॉ इन विच द जुडिशरी कैन स्ट्राइक डाउन एनी अमेंडमेंट passed by the parliament that is in conflict with the basic structure of constitution. After Keshwananda Bharti case, the next case is Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan case. In this case, Supreme Court applied the theory of basic structure and struck down clause 4 of Article 329A, which was inserted by 39th Amendment in 1975 on the ground that it was beyond the Parliament's amending power as it destroyed the Constitution's basic features. Then the 39th Amendment Act was passed by the Parliament during the time of emergency period. This act placed the election of the President, Vice President, Prime Ministers and Speaker of the Lok Sabha beyond the scrutiny of judiciary. These are the three important and landmark cases on basic structure of the Indian Constitution. After this, in next video, we will discuss 2 or 3 landmark cases. Thank you.